Derma roller, uses, benefits, and price in the USA. Uses. A derma roller is a skincare device with a cylindrical drum covered in tiny needles. It's used primarily for microneedling, a procedure that involves rolling the device over the skin to create micro-injuries. These tiny punctures stimulate the body's natural wound-healing process, which promotes the production of collagen and elastin, essential for skin repair and rejuvenation. Common uses of derma rollers. 1. Reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Stimulates collagen production, which helps in diminishing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 2. Scar treatment. Effective in reducing acne scars, surgical scars, and other forms of hyperpigmentation. 3. Improving skin texture. Enhances skin smoothness and firmness. 4th. Hair regrowth. Some people use derma rollers on the scalp to promote hair growth and combat thinning hair. 5. Enhancing product absorption. The microchannels created by the needles improve the absorption of skincare products like serums. Benefits. 1. Collagen production. Increases collagen levels in the skin, leading to firmer and more youthful skin. 2. Improved skin tone. Helps in reducing hyperpigmentation and evening out skin tone. 3. Minimally invasive. Compared to other skin treatments, microneedling with a derma roller is less invasive and has a quicker recovery time. 4th. Cost-effective. Offers a more affordable alternative to professional microneedling treatments or other cosmetic procedures. 5. Versatile, can be used on various parts of the body, including the face, neck, and scalp. Price in the USA. The price of derma rollers in the USA varies depending on the brand, needle size, and quality of the product. On average, basic derma rollers, $10 to $30. High-quality or professional-grade derma rollers, $40 to $100 plus. Derma roller kits, including serums and other accessories, $50, $150 plus. It's important to note that while at-home derma rollers are widely available, professional microneedling performed by a dermatologist may be recommended for more significant skin concerns. The cost of professional treatments can range from $200 to $700 per session, depending on the location and extent of the treatment.